If you want to be making $1,000 monthly, steal this digital marketing methods.
The internet is not short of money. Millions of dollars move online every single day. What the internet is short of is people who understand how money actually moves online. That's why you see many people posting content every day, learning new things, trying different strategies, yet nothing enters their bank account. Not because making money online is impossible, but because they are operating without a clear structure. If you understand this simple method, things start to make more sense.
Number 1, stop posting randomly. Start pulling the right people. Most people online just post anything, random tips, motivation, general content. But the people making money online do something different. They create content that pulls a specific audience. Not everyone, just people who have a specific problem. When someone sees your content and thinks, this person understands exactly what I'm going through, you've already taken the first step toward making money.
Number 2, don't focus only on audience, focus on demand. Many people chase followers, they celebrate numbers, but followers alone do not generate income. Income comes from solving problems. Instead of asking, how do I grow my audience, ask a better question. What problem can I solve that people are willing to pay for? When people feel a real need for something you offer, selling becomes easier.
Number 3, make the path from interest to payment simple. This is where many people lose money online. Someone reads your content, they are interested, but then confusion appears. No clear next step, no simple way to move forward, no direction. So the interested person disappears. Attention alone does not create income. Income comes from what happens after someone becomes interested. Number 4, repeat a simple system until it becomes cash flow. Many beginners try too many strategies, too many ideas, too many directions. But most successful digital marketers repeat one simple system. Attract, position, direct, convert. Attract people with valuable content. Position yourself as someone who understands their problem. Direct them toward a solution. Convert interest into payment. Then repeat the cycle again and again. Over time, small sales turn into consistent monthly income. Dear viewers, making $1,000 per month online is not impossible, but it is very difficult for people who operate without a system. Most people will hear this idea and ignore it. A few will understand it, and an even smaller group will apply it. And those are the ones who eventually start seeing real results.
If you learned something valuable from this, comment, I'm blessed. Please don't forget to follow or subscribe to Grow and Learn with Blessed. If you want to talk with me one-on-one, you can join my TikTok Live or search for Learn with Blessed on Facebook and send me a DM.